How to use castor oil to dissolve cataracts and get 20/20 vision. A cataract is a term used for the blurring that shows up of the normally clear focal point of the eye. People who have cataracts seeing blurry lenses is the same as looking through a frosty window. Subsequently, this makes it hard for the person to drive a car during the evening or read. Most of the cataracts grow bit by bit and don't exasperate your vision in the absolute starting point, but they may impact your eyesight over time. At first, eyeglasses and stronger light are helpful in case of cataracts, yet a cataract surgery is required when weakened vision influences with your everyday course. Signs and symptoms of cataracts: sensitivity to glare and light, fading or yellowing of colours, need for brighter lighting for reading, blurred, clouded or dim vision, double vision in one eye, difficulty with vision at night, seeing halos around lights. Frequent changes in contact lens or eyeglass prescription. Regarding these factors, it is considered that most cataracts appear when damage or maturing changes the tissue making up the eye's focal point. Some medical issues and genetic disorder are additionally prone to augments the risk for the appearance of cataracts. Past eye surgery, eye-related conditions, and conditions like diabetes are an additional frequent reason for cataracts. At last, this issue may likewise emerge from long-term utilization of steroid medications. It has been demonstrated that those with reduced antioxidants in their bodies are at a higher danger of getting cataracts. In this manner, keeping the glutathione level generally high postpones the development of cataracts and decreases their requirement for cataract surgery. Glutathione, as well as different foods rich in antioxidants, are proven to be an efficient cure against cataracts and other eye issues. Can you eliminate cataracts without surgery? While we are being informed that surgery is the main alternative for treating cataracts, and for sure is the best for advanced stages, there are regular approaches to cure cataracts if you get your diagnosis at an early stage. This one simple ingredient can be effectively used to disintegrate cataracts. It has been discovered that it works for other eye issues, also including age-related macular degeneration, dry eyes, close and far-sightedness, and conjunctivitis. Since eye issues are a result of glycation, applying antioxidants or ingesting those mends from the back to front, characteristic healers have known about this for quite a while now. However, castor oil is abundant in antioxidant, and this is the reason behind why it has such a helpful impact on the eyes. When and how to use castor oil as an eye drop. Apply a drop of unadulterated castor oil into each eye, utilizing an eyedropper. It is prescribed to do this before going to bed, as your visual perception is probably going to be obscured with this application. Henceforth, shutting the eyes overnight enables the oil to do its role as you rest. The following morning, there may be outside layers at the edge of the eyes. Try not to stress over it, as this is the calcification being broken up for disposal. You should simply wash it off. Many individuals who have attempted this cure guarantee that their vision has quite enhanced the following morning, and it continues showing signs of improvement. But if there is not much change in your vision after several treatments, quit utilizing it in spite of the fact that it doesn't do any mischief to your eyes. It may not be suitable for you.